Good morning. Myself D. Bhuvaneshwari, 2nd MCom. Today I am here to talk about gender inequality and women empowerment. Gender equality means equality of genders. Men and women both are equal to the society. Both are takes an important part for the development of the economy. But in few cases, some people are discriminated because of their gender, especially women. Lack of gender equality leads to gender inequality. This is one of the major problems faced by most of the developing and also developed countries in this world, especially developing countries like India facing the problem of gender inequality. There are so many consequences for gender inequality. First thing, lack of education. Most of the women didn't get proper education because of their gender. Lack of job opportunities. Some of them didn't get proper jobs. And also violence against women, domestic violence, child marriages. These are also main consequences for gender inequality. If we want to solve this problem, we have to achieve gender equality. There are so many causes for this problem. We have to know the root cause of this problem, then only we will solve this problem permanently. The first cause is illiteracy, lack of knowledge about rules and regulations. And also another important cause is socio-culture and religious influence. Yes, our religion, our culture influences a lot. Our elder generations passed some rules and regulations for women. These rules and regulations will become an hurdle to the growth of the women and also poor mindset of the people. Still today, most of the people think that women is the weaker part of the society. That's why most of the parents didn't want girl child. Few of them kill their newborn girl child also. And another cause is poverty. Poverty is a very important cause, influencing cause for gender inequality. Some women will become prostitutes because of poverty. So, and also political influence on judiciary system, poor implementation of laws is also some of the causes for this problem, gender inequality. Here, gender equality is very essential for the development of our country. So, there are so many steps which are used for achieving gender equality. One of the main steps is women empowerment. Women empowerment means educating women to gain knowledge, skill which is useful for the growth of the women. And women empowerment helps women to become independent economically and also financially. It helps the women to be equalized as men. So women empowerment is also helps the economy to reduce the social issues like poverty and unemployment. So it is very essential to achieve. There is close relationship between women empowerment and gender equality. If we achieve women empowerment, we will definitely achieve gender equality. Here I want to add another point, that is gender equality to men. We are always seeing one side of the coin, that is women's side. What about the other side, men? Men is also facing the problem of gender inequality. They are also discriminated because of their gender. Our society always thinks that man is the responsible person of the family. He only acts as the head of the family. All financial needs are fulfilled by men only. Men only earning person in our society. This is what our society thinks. But this is become a burden to men. Few of them, if they fail financially, they are committed for suicides. And also in corporate sectors, men will be treated very low. they assign more work when compared to women. So it is become a burden to men. Here, women empowerment not only helps to women, it also helps for men to it helps to reduce their financial stress, financial burden. So women empowerment and gender equality not only women's issue, it affects us all. Here I want to explain few steps which are helped for achieving gender equality. First thing, education to all. If we provide proper education for all, leads to get proper opportunities, equal opportunities. And second thing, proper employment opportunities. Because of their gender, some people didn't get proper jobs. If we give proper jobs to them, they will definitely develop. And another thing, stop violence against women and also help the women to become empowered, and also help the women and appreciate their success is also one of the steps which will increase gender equality. And implementation of laws. Proper implementation of laws is also helps us to achieve this gender equality. So these are the suggestions which are helpful for achieving gender equality. As a girl child, I also faced discrimination. My parents didn't allow me for higher education, but my words helped me to change the mindset of my people, my parents. That's why now I am here. Today I am in front of you. I thank them for allowing me to achieve this. And also today I want to mainly thank Andhra Pradesh State Council of Higher Education for conducting this wonderful program EduTalk, Stand Up and Speak Out. And I also thank the management of Sir C.R. Reddy College for giving this wonderful opportunity. Finally, what I want to say is, I wish that every parent should encourage their girl child as equal as their son. This will definitely help us to achieve gender equality. Thank you so much for giving this opportunity. Thank you.